Imagine a team of specialized AI agents, each a master in their domain. They collaborate seamlessly. They solve complex problems together. This is the promise of multi-agent systems, or MAS. MAS leverages the power of multiple AI agents. These agents work together. They achieve a common goal. This approach is revolutionizing AI. It is opening doors to new possibilities. This tutorial will guide you. You will learn how to build your own MAS. We will use Autogen and Google's Gemini Pro model. Autogen is a framework. It helps build multi-agent conversations. Gemini Pro is a large language model. It allows agents to understand and generate human-like text. By combining these tools, we can create powerful and intuitive MAS. This tutorial is for intermediate tech enthusiasts. You should have some programming experience. Familiarity with AI concepts is helpful, but not required. Let's embark on this exciting journey. We will explore the fascinating world of MAS. Multi-agent systems, or MAS, are a subfield of artificial intelligence. They focus on creating and managing systems. These systems consist of multiple intelligent agents. Agents are autonomous entities. They can perceive their environment. They can act upon it. They have their own goals and capabilities. In a MAS, agents interact with each other. They coordinate their actions. They achieve a shared goal. This interaction can take many forms. It can be cooperative or competitive. It can be direct or indirect. The key idea is that by working together, agents can solve problems that are too complex for a single agent to handle. Examples of MAS can be found in various domains. These include robotics, gaming, and finance. In robotics, MAS is used to control teams of robots. These robots collaborate on tasks such as exploration or manufacturing. In gaming, MAS powers the behavior of non-player characters, making them more realistic and engaging. In finance, MAS is used to develop trading strategies and manage risk in complex markets. Autogen and Gemini Pro are powerful tools for building MAS. Autogen is an open-source framework. It simplifies creating and managing multi-agent conversations. Gemini Pro is Google's family of large language models. It generates human-like text. Together, they offer a platform for building sophisticated MAS. Autogen manages agent interactions. Gemini Pro provides intelligence. It allows agents to understand and generate text. Before we dive into building our MAS, let's set up our development environment. Install the necessary libraries. Obtain API keys for Autogen and Gemini Pro. Ensure Python is installed on your system. Download the latest version from the official website. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the following commands. Bash pip install Autogen pip install Google.generative.ai authenticate your requests with API keys. They grant access to the services. Visit the Autogen website and sign up. Navigate to the API keys section and generate a key. Visit the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project and enable the Gemini Pro API. Create and secure your API key. Set environment variables with your keys. Your development environment is ready. Start building your MAS. Our first agent will be the information seeker. This agent is responsible for gathering information. It uses Google search to find relevant web pages. Let's define this agent using Autogen's Python library. Python from Autogen import agent LLM config /model Google /Gemini procs #use Gemini Pro system _message =. You are a helpful AI assistant. Your job is to gather information from the web using Google search tools. Use Google search #enable Google search for this agent. In this code, we first import the class from. Then we create an instance of named. We specify as the language model. This ensures that the agent uses Gemini Pro's capabilities. That provides instructions to the agent. Finally, we enable the tool. This allows the agent to access Google search. Now, our agent is ready to spring into action. It can access Google search. It can retrieve information from the web. It can follow your instructions. Let's move on to creating our second agent, the creative architect. Our second agent is the creative architect. This agent is responsible for generating creative text formats. It uses Gemini Pro's language generation capabilities. Let's define this agent. Python from Autogen import agent LM config /h model Google /Gemini procs #use Gemini Pro system _message =. You are a creative AI assistant. Your job is to generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc., and try your best to fulfill all the requirements from the user. Similar to the agent, we create an instance of named. We use the same language model. The instructs this agent to focus on generating creative text formats. Our agent is now ready to unleash its creative potential. It can generate various text formats. It can fulfill user requirements. We have our two agents ready. Let's make them interact. This will allow them to collaborate on tasks. Now that we have our agents, we need to enable them to communicate. Autogen provides a simple way to do this. We can use the class. This class allows us to create a group chat. Our agents can interact within this chat. First, import the necessary classes. Python from Autogen, import agent, group chat manager. Then create instances of our agents. Python information _ seeker = agent. Hash, use the code from section 5, creative _ architect, = agent. Hash, use the code from section 6. Now, create a group chat and add our agents, Python. We have successfully created a group chat. Our agents can now communicate. They can collaborate on tasks. Let's bring everything together. We will create a practical example. Let's imagine a user wants to create a poem about a specific topic. The user doesn't have time to research the topic. They need our agents to collaborate. The user can initiate the process with a simple request. I need a poem about Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Our agent can spring into action. It can use Google search, gather information about Albert Einstein and his theory of relativity. Once it has gathered enough information, it can share its findings with the agent. The agent can then use this information to generate a beautiful and insightful poem about Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. The poem can be shared with the user. Creative architect. This simple example demonstrates the power of mass. By working together, our agents can accomplish tasks that would be difficult or impossible for a single agent to achieve. Multi-agent systems offer several benefits. Increased efficiency, where agents can work in parallel, significantly speeding up problem solving. Specialization allows agents to become experts in their domains. Robustness ensures that if one agent fails, others can take over, making MAS more resilient to failures. Scalability is achieved by adding more agents as needed. The applications of MAS are vast and continue to grow. In robotics, coordinating teams of robots for exploration, manufacturing, or search and rescue. In gaming, creating more realistic and engaging non-player characters. In finance, developing trading strategies and managing risk in complex markets. In transportation, optimizing traffic flow and developing autonomous driving systems. And in healthcare, diagnosing diseases, monitoring patients, and providing personalized treatment plans. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of MAS in the future. While MAS offers great promise, there are also challenges in developing and deploying them. Coordination, ensuring that agents can effectively coordinate their actions and avoid conflicts. Communication, developing efficient and reliable communication protocols for agents to exchange information. Learning, enabling agents to learn from their experiences and adapt to changing environments. Security, protecting MAS from malicious attacks and ensuring the privacy of sensitive information. Future research in MAS is focused on addressing these challenges. It aims to unlock the full potential of this technology by developing more sophisticated coordination and communication mechanisms, exploring new learning algorithms for multi-agent settings, designing secure and privacy-preserving MAS, and expanding the applications of MAS to new domains. Overcoming these challenges will pave the way for more intelligent and capable MAS that can solve complex real-world problems. Multi-agent systems represent a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. They move away from centralized intelligence and towards distributed intelligence. This distributed intelligence is embodied by a team of collaborative agents. By harnessing the power of collaboration, MAS has the potential to revolutionize various industries. This tutorial provided a practical introduction to building MAS using Autogen and Google's Gemini Pro. As you continue to explore this exciting field, remember that the possibilities are limitless. Embrace the power of many minds. Develop innovative solutions that can shape the future of AI.